which a lot of teams don't want to do. But if you can control the other diva with the hack, then you're golden.
Make sure you guys check out the All Access Pass as well, man. We got player point of views this season. It is so sick. If I wasn't casting, I'd be watching.
Where I'm going and why I'm on the train. I am on my way to the NYXL, hosted by the great 5 Deadly Venom squad at 5 Deadly Venoms. Please follow them. So I'm on my way to a viewing party for the NYXL, my home team for the Overwatch League. So let's do this. I give a heads up that I will be switching to a different camera when I actually get to the New York area. Because for me personally, I feel like New York is more used to seeing GoPros and special cameras than New Jersey is, which is why I'm sticking to my regular camera. And then when I get to New York, I'm going to switch to the other camera, and I think you're going to see the quality is going to be quite significant. And at last I see the light, and I have no idea where I am. First time I've been to this event on time, so it's interesting. And the first time I've gone by myself. Second time I've gone by myself. Oh, there it is. The Waypoint Cafe de Nueva York. She doesn't believe I can eat, guys.
Fine. I'm not saying you can't eat it, but I'm letting you eat yourself.
Oh no, trust me, I will eat it.
A big old whip.
Cream cheese and grape jelly.
We don't have jelly.
Darn, cream cheese is fine. I'm sorry, I require fattening simple sugars. All good.
You need help?
I just need this thing. Haha! All the sugar, yes. My spot has been cleared. You better listen to people who are in student loan debt. It's a pastry, damn it. Croissants are pastries, damn it.
They thought it would be with their quad.
Already got some friends here.
So they could just play Sombra.
Say hi to the Blues nerds. Hello.
Personally, I don't.
I'd wear it like
swap things that are
I'd wear
already
the rest of my BlizzCon swag, but honestly, I'm afraid of the
you come into
I just bought like copies of patches.
that bag and the patches stay at home.
I'm so freaking pumped! I'm so pumped! Jonak! Woo!
Look down this way.
Walking in at the moment. Map number 2.
And I'm on a GoPro. Who's winning? Who's winning?
They already made us a point out.
Back up right here. Hold up your phones, everyone.
XL just made it a point A.
Yes. What happened? They're pushing it.
It's literally almost over.
No, wait.
Yes.
It's literally like last push. Hold on.
They're within 5 meters.
It's the last point. It's the last point.
XL wins.
It's the last point.
XL wins.
Hooray for technology!
Go New York, go New York, go!
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 Free pizza!
Bubble!
All right, pizza's gone.
Garlic nut.
Now it's gone. Washington won because what?
Washington won because of a tie.
Did you say they must have been?
I'm feeling really tired right now.
That was Waypoint Cafe in 65 Ludlow Street, New York, New York. Lower East Side of Manhattan. And it was awesome. Can't wait to see next week's viewing party. Don't exactly know where it's going to be yet, but we'll find out. Anyway, thanks for watching. Look forward to the next viewing parties. And if anybody has any clips of other viewing parties, I would love to have those so I can combine them into one big Overwatch League bonanza video. Did I just use the word bonanza? Yes, I did. Okay, bye. Hashtag BlizzNerds. Escalators don't work.